In this video, we will tell you how you can make $100, $200, $300 daily, or more than $1,500 per week just by copying and pasting. All you're required to do is copy and paste the material, which we will tell you at the end of this video. Stay tuned to watch different ways to earn money in more than 5 digits. Before going further, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for great helpful content. Though it doesn't seem natural that we can earn this much money by doing almost nothing, it is proper to so many levels that many people out there made millions of dollars by following these steps. Well, you will earn by working through affiliate marketing, which works as an artificial intelligence that is helpful for a lot of people. Many bloggers and influencers working via this affiliate marketing have earned thousands of dollars. They just built a website on which they added some affiliate links and have started making what they have dreamt of. Other than that, microsites, video marketing, and email lists are more methods that can be used to generate online money. Though not everyone out there makes vast amounts of money through affiliate marketing, these are some of the tips that you can use to improve your work, and by that, you can increase your daily income. Want to know more about this work? Let's dig into affiliate marketing. What basically is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you have to promote the products for other people. There are many businesses out there that want to market their business. They offer small commissions in return for selling their products, and you will get a commission for each product sold. You might have seen many posts on different websites marked as an affiliate link, or you will see sponsored posts on many websites you visit. If it's your first time working as an affiliate marketer, you want to know more about how it works. Well, it's relatively easy to work in these programs. There are many programs available as an affiliate program, and you need to find a program you are interested in. Overview the whole program you have selected, which includes the services and which type you are taking. It also has payment methods and commissions available, which they offer. After you go through this website, if you think you can work in affiliate marketing, sign up and wait until you get your confirmation of your acceptance. And then you have to start working over there, and you can create content by adding the custom links that the program will provide. Those links work as a tracker of one of your users. When they purchase, you will earn a commission. There are several categories available: individual companies and affiliate programs, as well as general. Wherever you want to register, you just have to choose the program you're interested in. And just one more note, you can also register yourself. Furthermore, the programs are divided into categories, so you can quickly select them. Once it gets approved by the program, you will be allowed to promote your affiliate links from the website, the newsletter, or on social media, or wherever you are permitted to share the links, you can share that. Now here's another question. How would you find companies and products for affiliate work? Well, there are many ways out there from which you can find products and companies that can help your affiliate, though we are giving you some of the easiest ways to find the ones where you can easily promote. Number 1, you can use the available products to become an affiliate. The first way of getting products to work in affiliate marketing is basically to use the products which are already available. For instance, the products and services that you have already used and find useful for yourself, you can use them as well, because this is the easiest way you can convince your user about the products and tell them the pros and cons which you already know. And then you will have to visit the product's website and further search for terms like affiliate programs or only affiliate, or you can search for a partner. Nowadays, it's an easy way because many companies are looking for an affiliate marketer to promote their products and add links to their affiliate page in the website's footer. Another way is to find an affiliate program you can join. Number 2, see the products other blogs are recommending. Another way to find a product for affiliate marketing is to look at other blogs which you think are similar to your products. You will see many blogs using affiliate marketing to earn money. How do you know which blog is promoting affiliate products? This is an easy way to determine if the blog is promoting affiliate products because of the easily noticeable ads on their website. You have to take your mouse on the banner ad, and then you will see the link in your status bar, and that's it. How will you find your affiliate links? Well, it is easy to find the affiliate link through their ID. The affiliate product ID helps the merchant track the affiliate partner by sending them traffic sales. Sometimes you feel like the links on the websites are internal, but when you click on them, you will get into the product website along with an affiliate ID. Number 3, join the most extensive networks of affiliate products. There are many ways to find affiliate products. Once you get into the market of this company, you will get to know more about it. Many extensive networks work to promote affiliate marketing just by providing links. You have to join those extensive networks. These websites usually play the role of middlemen between merchants and affiliate marketers. It is not only you who are using the extensive networks. Many companies use them and want to partner with them. This way, they get the help quickly to promote their website. Number 4, you have to reach out to big affiliate companies. Another way to work on affiliate marketing and earn lots of money is by asking an affiliate program about the information and promoting your products over there. Some companies reply and will invite you to join the program, but some may not actively promote this program. It was a total of affiliate program techniques that we told you about earlier. Well, that is not it. We are going to tell you more ways of earning money by copying and pasting and making hundreds of dollars on a daily basis. Watch the video to the end so that you would know more about the ideas for earning money. We will ask some of the questions we want you to comment below to answer those questions. Does making money while working online make you happy? It has been a debate for many years. Some people prefer to avoid sitting at home, working in the same environment and earning money, making them lazy and slow, and they do not perform as they should. They think that when they change their environment and go outside of the home for work purposes, they perform more rather than sitting on the same couch. Many people love to work at home. This way, people can take care of their home and kids as well. This is the easiest way for them to earn money without even going out. Most people who have families are looking for a job where they have to sit at home and work while they take care of their family. This was the general idea we gave about people to the audience. We would like for you to let us know whether you like to work outside the home or work from home and which one is suitable for you. We are eager to learn. Does copying and pasting mean blogging as well? Can you earn while blogging for marketing? Well, if we talk about earning money through copy and paste, blogging also comes under this method, as many people make money this way. It has a powerful marketing method because blogs are the most famous yet influential way of marketing, as you get all the information from blogs, and whatever topic you are looking for, you will get the blog. This way you can market your products and earn money. What exactly is viral marketing, and how can you get help for your business? Viral marketing is taking advantage of already viral content. By that, you can promote your product through viral content, and it can be video, posts, or anything. Viral content usually trends after getting viral, though it makes it an easy way for companies to do effective marketing. This technique is used to sell products, and also it is effective and makes sales double if you properly market them. You can get your name out in many ways and get deals from viral products. Getting massive traffic to your website while using Facebook. When you are using many ways to get traffic on your website to promote your product, social media plays an important role in helping the user to give them enough market on the website. Though there are many ways to get enough traffic on your website with the pay-per-click method as well. Earning money is much easier nowadays. All you have to do is think and work hard and generate new ideas to get the best opportunity to get more than $1,500 per week. Affiliate marketing is one of them, but there are other ways as well. Like and subscribe to our channel to learn more ways to earn money simply.